Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through how you can successfully use the Boolean operators. These are meant to be words and symbols, primarily and, or, and not. These are the main three words that are actually under the Boolean operators, and they are used as logical connectors in search queries just to streamline your search, either to combine, exclude, or broaden your search results basically. So thereby you refine the results of your search queries on any of the search engines. That is what it is basically. But then I'm going to be using LinkedIn as a case study because you have more jobs being dropped in there, because that is what it's actually designed for. So if you are new to this, it doesn't even matter because it's going to make a lot of sense to you by the time we go through it. And obviously this is going to blow your mind eventually. So can we get started? Now, for Boolean search, it's actually a form of, search engine process, but it's just different in a way that it uses operators like and, or, and not to combine keywords. It allows you to refine search results for a database or search engine. Now, before I show you the practical, we really want to try out the normal search process that everybody knows, okay? So let's just try to search for these keywords, which is content writing. This is actually a form of job, right? So we need content writing jobs, right? Looking at it, the keyword that we input in the search bar came up with different search results. So that involves individuals that have content writing as a job title, as position. So, and it's included some other job posts that we can actually see there. So many of which had been posted for days and they are not even current. So it's going to create some kind of loopholes for the results, and it is not going to give us the accurate outcome that we're actually looking for. So now we want to try the alternative, which is the Boolean. Now a quick one, the Boolean search, what it simply means basically is that we can search for two things using and, or, and not. So by joining them together in inverted commas, okay? So that is what we'll be doing here. Then I really want you to pay rapt attention to this. We're going to be searching for content writing jobs on LinkedIn, so using the Boolean search. So this can actually be tried on Google and any search engine basically. So we have content writing, the inverted comma, and hiring. So in case you've not been putting this kind of thing in front of your job search, you got to try it now. So what do you have? The very first thing, can you see this? Like the random search that we had the first time, so the Boolean gave us exact thing that we're actually looking for. So but then this job is 2 days ago, right? So we can have the next one, which is 6 days. So the next one 1 day, then 3 days. So but basically all this signifies that these jobs are the exact match to the keywords that we actually input. So you know what we're going to do? We just want to tweak some certain things. So this one is 20 hours ago, right? So we can tweak some certain things here to turn it around and make it be within something within 24 hours. We need jobs within 24 hours that are actually still trending that we can apply to. So that is exactly what we're going to do now. Similarly, Boolean search will also enable you to have early access to job posting. Okay, timing is one thing you don't really want to mess with, honestly. Even if you had the best resume, if you applied for a job late, it might actually inhibit you from winning that job, to be honest. So time is one thing, and one of the ways you can actually beat that is using this process. Here we go. So we're going to change this date posted to past 24 hours. So let's see what we're gonna have here. So can you see? So the very first one is how many hours ago? Just 1 hour. The second one, 16 hours ago. So this is exactly how everything will come. They need to fall within that span of time that you've actually scheduled. And recall that you are not actually looking for the job under the job search channel. You are actually under post. So because so many employers will post these things on their page, on their timelines, and it's actually expected that different people approach it and pick it up from there. So unlike the job channel on LinkedIn that is usually saturated with different applications, you can find your job research this way, and trust me, the result is going to be something wonderful. To conclude, let's quickly search for a job title which is Human Resources Manager, and let's see if truly this works. Okay, can you see the first one is 16 hours ago, second one 1 hour ago, and so the list is endless. So it depends on what you're actually looking for and if you tweak your keywords correctly.